Hi, and welcome to another episode of Cafe Chronicles. I'm Steve.
I'm Dan.
And today we're going to be cleaning up the rear caliper for the bike and painting it up gold just like the front ones. So let's get stuck in.
So box number one is very aggressively taped and doesn't seem to fit in it. I hope it's whiskey.
Drum roll, please.
Taco shell. I feel like there's an illuminating joke here, but I don't have enough caffeine to make it. Look at that.
That bad boy. Cool.
That'll do.
Yeah, make sure it's seated in there nice and it's not going to fall out the boat. So that's LED headlight. Yeah, different connectors for it depending on the bike, but we'll wire it up ourselves. And it comes with the nice back housing. That's the important part about it. See the back housing? Mm-hmm. This, because you can buy these LED lamps online, but what makes it really cool is that it's got the motorcycle housing, headlight housing, and that's going to make it look really nice on the cafe racer.
That is fantastic.
Yeah.
Next up is, because someone ordered the wrong size eyelets on the rear shocks.
Nice. Did they come like in a pack of 4 or something?
Yeah, so it was like a pack of 4 was the same cost as one single.
Okay.
But that'll do.
Nice.
The bushing that we got on the top here fits the bottom bolt, but it didn't fit the shoulder that it needed to. So just to mock the bike up so that it looked nice for all of you viewers at home, we took the metal sleeve out and it's just sitting on the rubber bushing, which, I mean, it would work for short trips around the city, but like super not safe. So we need to change this bushing out for something that will fit.
Because otherwise what would happen over time is that would just split. Also, the link in the video description has a link to these shocks. They're like AliExpress, was it, dude?
Yeah, it was AliExpress.
And we have the sizes that we used, but we'll also put a link to the new bushing sizes that Dan got, so that you know what fits the KZ750, because I know a few people have said they're doing up some KZ750, so they might end up using some of this stuff, but I would say don't until we've tested it and we tell you, yeah, it's good, use it, but hey, I know everybody wants to get out riding for summer, right? This is looking sexy, Dan. What do you reckon, dude? Look at that. The seat on there, tanks on there. Now we've got brakes. and we still have to sort out the front brakes anyways here, so get some lines sorted out for it and sort out this up here. We either think that we've got a blockage in the junction or else maybe in one of these lines, so we gotta troubleshoot that anyways. But this is looking snazzy. I like the gold with the gold caliper with the gold. It's looking nice with the cycle pump on the tank, gold caliper at the front, and then the gold stitching on the seat. It's looking pretty smart, dude.
Yeah, the one big thing for me, when we first had the gold calipers up at the front, it was far enough away from anything else that's gold, and we're thinking like, yeah, that looks really, really sharp. But now to put the gold caliper by the gold shocks, by the gold stitches, it's not like these are gold things sourced from all sorts of different things, so it's always a worry to see if this color that we bought from just a local parts store is gonna mesh well with this color, which is like, you know, mainland China.
Yeah.
But I think it comes together really, really well.
I totally get you, totally agree with that. Even like, you know, blacks, you know, is tricky. You know, when you say, oh, it's black, you know, there's a million shades of black, right?
I think they wrote a book about that.
There you go. I think that was grey, and I think it was 50.
Oh, okay. Well, there's more shades of black, that's what we're saying.
This is at least 51. But yeah, so I know what you mean when you have the two gold things, you know, but, you know, I still think it looks well. Yeah, I still think it looks cool. And everything with the master cylinder that we rebuilt is working nicely. It was actually actuating the caliper there when we're
Knock on wood, it hasn't leaked yet.
Yeah. So we put in new banjo washers there as well, crush washers. So, yeah. Alright, so I think we've done pretty well. Caliper's looking really smooth. We're gonna have to vacuum those lines again, but we'll do that. We've got some bleeding and some crap to figure out anyways with the front brakes, so we'll sort that all out at the same time. So, but the caliper rear brakes now are all together. They're looking nice. The gold finish I think looks really cool, and hope you guys have enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe on the video, and hit that bell if you want any notifications. You'll get notifications the minute we put up a video, you'll know about it. And we've got lots of videos coming to try and finish this bike off, because Jan wants to ride it this summer, so we gotta get this finished up. So the link as well in the description has all of the different spots where we have purchased parts from, the prices of them, and you can follow the link and get any of those as well. If you've got any comments for us, any recommendations on any of those existing parts, feel free to pop it into the comments or shoot us an Instagram or a Facebook message or an email. You can get us at info@cafechronicles.ca. But that's it. So thanks for tuning in. Stay safe.